And tonight we're investigating how a dangerous loophole in Illinois weapons laws allowed the Aurora shooter to keep his gun after his firearm owner's identification card was revoked. Our Megan Hickey is pushing for answers as to what went wrong.
In 1995, Gary Martin pleaded guilty to aggravated assault involving a former girlfriend in Mississippi. He moved to Illinois after serving more than 2 years in prison. That conviction should have kept Martin from ever owning a firearm. But on Friday, he took the lives of 5 innocent people with a Smith & Wesson .40 caliber handgun.
Absolutely, he was not supposed to be in possession of a firearm.
Martin obtained a FOID card in January 2014. 2 months later, he purchased a gun. But it was during the application process for a concealed carry permit, a process that involves fingerprinting, that Martin's criminal background was uncovered. He received a letter from Illinois State Police telling him to surrender his FOID card and complete a form disclosing information about his weapons and who they would be transferred to. Police say it appears that never happened.
It's been an honor system, and we've allowed it to go on for a really long time.
Retired ATF Special Agent Mark Jones is with the Illinois Council Against Handgun Violence and says that this case demonstrates how easy it is for gun owners in our state to hold on to their guns after their cards have been revoked. There is currently no organized program amongst law enforcement agencies to physically recover FOIDs or prohibited firearms. Jones says that in 2017, ISP revoked about 11,000 FOID cards, but only about 4,000 gun owners actually submitted the forms saying what they did with the guns.
People are going to want to know why. They're going to want to look at this and say, how do we stop this from happening again?
Illinois State Police tell us Martin lied on his FOID card application about ever being convicted of a felony. Only his Illinois criminal records were checked. The records show that his FOID card was never returned. In the control room, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 News.
And keep it right here for continuing coverage of the workplace shooting. We'll hear from the sisters of the only plant worker who survived being shot. That's at 6.